Wanted the most dangerous way to test a vintage calculator. Mains floating in the breeze. Mains floating in the breeze. I did at least use test probes rather than just random cables, but yeah, I'm a bit apprehensive. Oh yeah, and it's supposed to be earthed and we haven't connected that, so we're not touching anything metal because anything metal could give me a bit of a tingle or whatnot. But yeah, this thing is amazing! So useful. Get yourself one of these. But yeah, it works. Woohoo! I have no clue what make and model it is. It just looked interesting on eBay and was cheap. We will do a overview of this one, and it uses a Texas Instruments part for the main chip.